There is a real simple way to make your phone flash even if it's set to silent when you get a phone call or a text message on your iPhone. So let me show you how to set that up in this video. First, you want to jump into the settings app on your phone and scroll down. You want to find this section for accessibility here, and in this menu you need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page here, and you want to look for audio visual. Let's go to this menu, and this is where we're going to turn on the flashing. And here, let's go to the bottom of the page for LED flash for alerts. Let me go ahead and turn this on here, and you have another option. When you turn it on, you want your phone, the flashlight, to flash when you get calls or text. Your phone is set to silent, you could also turn that off. So if your phone is set to silent, which again you could do that by just turning the button that's next to the volume option. But if you don't care about that and you always want it to flash, go ahead and turn that on here. And now every time you get a phone call or a text message, as long as your phone is locked, so it has to be on the lock screen, here on this blank screen, it will flash when you get that phone call. I hope you find this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up